Hi friends, my name is Asif Khan. I am currently pursuing my CCIE security. This is my very first video about Packet Tracer, its installation, and also we will see a short demonstration of how to use it. First, we will see what is Packet Tracer. Packet Tracer is a network simulation program that allow us the knowledge of network topology and how it is implemented in real world scenarios. Let's start with Packet Tracer. First, we will see the basic requirement of a system to download Packet Tracer. The minimum configuration required to download a Packet Tracer is your CPU must be Intel Pentium 3 or more. Your operating system must be Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, any version, Fedora or Ubuntu. Your RAM must be at least 256 MB. Your storage, your hard drive capability must be at least 250 MB or more. If you want Packet Tracer in another language, you can download the Adobe Flash Player also. The recommended configuration is your CPU must be Intel Pentium 3 or more. Your RAM should be 512 MB or storage capacity should be 300 more MB and your display resolution must be at least 1024 into 768. There are various versions available of Packet Tracer. The first version is Packet Tracer 5.3. The second is 6.0.1 and the third is 6.1.1. Version 5.3 is outdated and it is not used. The current version is 6.0.1 and the other version, which is Packet Tracer 6.1.1, is under development. There are various techniques to download Packet Tracer. First is you can download the Packet Tracer from the official website of Cisco Packet Tracer, but in that you will see to download a Packet Tracer, first you have to sign into Cisco NetSpace and you have to select the course. For example, if you are doing CCNA, then you have to select CCNA. In that you have to go to Cisco Packet Tracer for offerings menu. This is the website where you have to enter the name and password in order to log in a Netscape. The another option available is that you can download it from Google. You need to enter Cisco Packet Tracer, hit enter. There are various links available to download Packet Tracer. You can select any of the link and download the Packet Tracer. Or else you can download the Packet Tracer from the below mentioned link also. After downloading the Packet Tracer, you will get a setup file like this. Double click on the exe file, click on run. It will ask you the security warnings if you want to install the Cisco Packet Tracer 6.0.1 for Windows. Click on yes. The setup page will appear. Welcome to the Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on next. The Cisco license agreement is there. You can read the agreement and accept the agreement. Click on next. It will ask you where to download the Cisco Packet Tracer. I have downloaded into C program files. Click on next. What is the folder name you want to go? Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on next. If you want to create a desktop icon or a quick launch icon that will appear in your start menu, you can select any of these icons. Click on next. It will show you a short summary of what you have done in order to download the Cisco Packet Tracer. You have selected the destination folder in C program file Cisco Packet Tracer. Your startup menu folder name is Cisco Packet Tracer and your additional task is that you have created a desktop icon. Click on install. Once your packet tracer has been installed, as I have already installed the packet tracer, it will look like this: Cisco packet tracer. Double click on that icon and Cisco packet tracer will open. This is the initial page of your Cisco packet tracer. On the top left, you have the various tabs available. For example, File, Edit, Options, View, Tools, Extensions, and Help. This is the actual place where you can design the network topologies. On the left bottom corner, you will see the devices that are necessary to create the network topologies. For example, you have the routers, you have the switches, hubs, wireless devices, connections, PCs, WAN simulation, multi-users connection. When you click on router, on that left hand side, you will see the various router models that are available. We have the 1841 model, 1941 model, 2621 model, 2811 model, 29011 model, or generic models. For switches, we have different switches available. For example, 2950, 2960, or generic switches. On the right hand side, you will see various things available. For example, move layout. If your network design has been completed, you can move the overall level. If you want to place a note under a specific topology, you can place it. If you want to delete some connections, you can delete it. This is real time as well as simulation time. In simulation time, you can see the exact thing of how a network works. If you click on simulation, there are various options available. For example, in event list filter, you can see the ACL packets, ARP packets, BGP packets, DHCP packets, DNS packets. You can see the exact flow of packet from one end to another in simulation. Back to the real time. As we have seen the installation of packet tracer, now we will see a short demonstration of how a packet tracer works. First, we will select a computer, that is end devices. You can drag and place it here, drag and place it here. We will select a switch, any switch, 2960 switch, drag and place it here. You have the connections available. The first connection is automatically choose connection type. This is a very useful connection type in case if you forget which cable needs to be connected to an end system. We will select this cable and this port. Okay. So again go, select, click and click. The green line indicates that your port is up and running. Amber line suggests that your port is initiating the conversation. It means it getting the response from the another. If your network end-to-end connectivity is proper, the amber line will turn into green light. See, the amber line has turned into green light. And if the network connectivity is not proper, it will turn into red light. You will also see that your PC's port is connected on fast Ethernet 0 and on switch it is connected on fast Ethernet 0/1. Similarly, in this laptop it has been connected to fast Ethernet 0 and on switch it is connected on fast Ethernet 0/2. We can now place a label. For example, this is John PC. Again go on the label here, Stacy PC. Click on computer. A dialog box will appear where you can see its physical configuration, the various modules that are available in your computer. Another tab is of config tab where various things you can see is the gateway where you can provide it with DHCP server or static or IPv6 gateway. desktop. In desktop tag there are various things available, such as you can configure the IP to a computer, dial-up connections if connected to a modem, terminal, command prompt, VPN, web browsers, email. The other tab available is software services. It's a packet tracer and we have not installed any software. It will show you are no software installed. Back on the desktop, select the IP configuration, click on it. In that, it is just similar of how you give an IP to your computer. You have the option of DHCP as well as static. Since this computer is not connected to any of the DHCP server, we have selected static. We will provide an IP address, that is 192.168.10.2. Subnet mask would be 255.255.255.0 since it's a class C address. And if you want to give a default gateway, since if gets connected to a router, you can provide the default gateway. In our scenario, it is not connected to any router, so we are not specifying it. Close this. Again go on the laptop, click on it, go on the desktop tab, IP configuration, select static, place an IP address 192.168.10.3. Subnet mask would be of class C. No need to provide gateway. Close it. Now we will check the end-to-end connectivity between a computer and a laptop, that is of John PC with Stacy PC. Click on that John PC, go on command prompt, type ping 192.168.10.3, enter. You will see a reply from Stacy PC. It states that packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0. Means your connectivity from John PC to Stacy PC is working fine. Close it. Again go on Stacy PC, go on command prompt, type ping 192.168.10.2 John PC IP, enter. You will see a reply from John PC. You can see that the end connectivity from John PC to Stacy PC is working fine, and also from Stacy PC to John PC is working fine. So the network connections between John and Stacy is well and up to date. So guys, we have seen in our video the basic installation of Cisco Packet Tracer as well as the demonstration of how to use it. You can subscribe me on my official YouTube account, which is Implementing Networks. In that you can subscribe me by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also follow me on Google Plus, where you can share your thoughts and ideas. Thank you.